Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good morning, good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. I must say, wow, it's all of a sudden gotten busy, Winston. I don't know if you've noticed it in the amount of news coming in, but just everybody seems to be.
I noticed I was working yesterday on a Sunday, so yes, Craig.
I was too, yeah, good. So it's good to see you're working on a Sunday. All right, excellent. I was also working on a Sunday. If you got one of my emails, don't worry, but remember I was also working on a Sunday, so please feel free to answer it as you want. A lot going on this week. We've got a couple days here in Warsaw. We're transmitting our Coffee with Craig show and then shooting straight over to the GRI conference in Paris, and we'll be doing a couple interviews there, filming from Paris for a few days. So stay tuned. We might have a couple of interesting interviews. If they interview with us, of course, it'll be interesting. Everyone's doing something cool there. So a lot going on. It's the GRI European event. So a lot of our clients participating here in Central Eastern Europe. I think we'll pick up a few more participants for our CRE Awards in Hungary. I noticed a few of the top Hungarian companies are going to be there, and of course for our CEE Investment Awards here. Now, if you're looking to go to Expo Real this year, or you want to advertise to any of the clients there, we've got till Wednesday for our deadline of this magazine. And I must say, Winston, great job. The magazine's looking good. Well done. Well done. Yeah. So, they sent me a sneak preview over. So nice. So if you want to get anything in for this edition, we've got great articles on all the countries, and of course a big regional section. So just shoot me a message. We'll definitely get you in this edition Wednesday. We're going to print, so we can still get you in. What else are we doing? MAPIC is coming up too. We're also the international media partner for MAPIC. So we hope to, if you got anything on retail, so many retailers are now looking to expand and go into different markets. Central Eastern Europe, Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria, they're all looking, a lot of them took a couple of years off, some didn't, but a lot of them took a little bit of break during COVID and restructured, and now it seems like many of them are ready to go. We'll take a little break now, and we'll go to Winston for the news, and then we'll be right back with the weather and other interesting things.
The weather.
I like the weather. It's nice and rainy and wet, and everything's cold.
You have to change the screen at the back.
I'll do the weather, and here in the rest of the world, it's hot and sunny. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, and Winston, good to see you again. And,
so I'll start with the news, then finish with the weather?
Let's start with the news. Maybe we'll skip the weather. The weather's not very fun, but you look very nice in your suit. And,
thank you.
I like the tie.
We'll start in Hungary, in Budapest, where Revetas has announced that the Millennium Gardens office building has opened its doors with an occupancy rate of 90%. And that's following investment of 150 million euros. This is the North Tower office building of the Millennium City project, and it was developed by Trigranite. Obviously, Revetas owns the building. It's got a total leasable area of around 22,000 square meters, and it was built with BREEAM Excellent, Access View, Gold certifications, and outstanding ESG compliance. So. A nice complex they've built down there, and it's been in the works for a long time, that one.
Man, Revetas is always active. I mean, during COVID, during lockdown, they're always, Eric and his team always looking to buy things.
Yeah, they've got a big portfolio throughout the region now. Moving to Poland, and in the retail market, CRE has opened 3 more Vendo parks parks over the summer period, and that was around 28 million euros for these 3 parks, and they have a total leased area of around 22,000 square meters, and that brings their portfolio up to 41 retail parks in the region, and 31 of those are located in Poland. And the 3 new retail parks were obviously developed in cooperation with their investment partner, Patreon Capital. And Patreon plans to help CRE develop another 20 vendor parks with a value of around 140 million euros. So the retail park industry is still looking pretty good, I think.
Yeah, for CRE, it's the retail parks in PRS, I think.
Yeah, they do residential as well.
Residential.
And staying in Poland, and Hillwood has started the construction of a big logistics centre in the districts of Łódź, and it's scheduled to come online in the 3rd quarter of 2023, and will comprise of almost 100,000 square metres of leasing space. And Łódź has become a very important hub for warehouse and logistics within the region. And Hillwood are developing a new project there, which will come online soon.
Yeah, Hubert, his team, always working hard on things like that.
Yeah. And finally for today, moving to Romania, and in Cluj, White Star Real Estate is planning to launch the next phase of the Liberty Technology Park with a total investment around 75 million euros. The next project will be developed on a land of 20,000 square meters and will include 32,000 square meters of office space within 3 buildings. And this is one that's designed on a former brownfield site, and now they've developed a technology hub. And currently, internationally renowned clients are leasing space there. So it's proving to be pretty popular. And they also announced that they've instructed Griffiths to be the exclusive leasing agent for the project.
Well, Griffiths, I mean, yeah, very interesting. Local agent actually getting, I mean, not just now, but getting massive projects.
Yeah, giving the more traditional agents a run for their money. It seems,
yeah. It seems like they've done. They may have won an award at one of our events in the past, I think.
Their managing partner, I think, won an award.
Yeah, that's right.
At our awards last year.
Yeah, that's right. She won for Professional of the Year. Yeah, gosh, that explains that clearly she is Professional of the Year. So thank you all for watching Coffee with Craig show. This week we'll see you in, if you're at the GRI event, let's meet up there. We'll be there for a couple of days in Paris. And straight after we're moderating a panel in Moldova. So a lot going on. If you're in Moldova, we'll be filming Coffee with Craig there for a few days as well. A lot of interesting projects there, a lot of land available that, takes a certain investment, but can make or certain investor, but can make some money and, can be profitable. So for opportunistic investors and people that can risk a little bit more, probably, or at least perceived risk, probably worth a try there. Anyway, it'd be great to see any developers in Moldova or anyone. We'll probably see you at the real estate conference, and then I'll be there for a couple of days after. So enjoy the rest of the week, and we will see you Tuesday morning for the Coffee with Craig show. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.